What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, it does look as though today we are having we've had a bit of a rollover from the top of the range, haven't we? Quite simply here, you can see we've put in this range, got, the big support here being broken of that previous range. We roll down to the next Fibonacci level, we get the Fibonacci scooping the price action up very significantly, form another range here, high and low, come all the way back up to the top of the range here, very simply up at around that 39k level there. Getting towards our EMAs and towards that top of that channel that we have been trading downwards inside of for a good while. We get rejected and we roll back over towards, that previous swing high resistance, now support of this smaller range here. You can see it at around that 36k level, and we're currently at around, 36.7k right now. Bitcoin obviously absolutely smashed recently. You can see very clearly heading down a big downtrend for a good while here. But as we said yesterday, potentially here on the RSI, getting that breakout of the RSI downtrend, you can see resistance, 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 and now looking like maybe getting the breakout, the back test of the RSI. And obviously, if you could see yourselves coming back up towards, even fair value or this overbought territory here over the next few weeks, you could probably reasonably expect we'd come up, we'd break this resistance, back test that Fibonacci level at the 038 as well, which was also a strong resistance at the top of this range, and then head back up to our levels basically, because that's what we want to see happening, isn't it? So, as we said before, really not that much to say about Bitcoin over the past few weeks. It's just been going sideways and sideways, really, hasn't it? And then slowly heading down, having another capitulation, then heading down and then dropping sideways. And, it's been getting ridiculously bearish in the market. The sentiment's super low, but we do think that, sooner or later we'll probably get a big bounce in the market, because honestly, we're getting horribly oversold now. As we said on the daily time frame, we're entering March 2020 Black Swan event crash levels, and nothing really has actually happened. So with all that being said, you can see here on the hourly time frame what we were talking about. We formed our range here, high, low. We form a little range here, high, low, consolidation, overextension, back up to the top of the range, support, resistance, coming back down to support again. And you can see here, we'll probably scoop the price action up here and come back and try again at this resistance we've been stuck under for so long now. Coming down to around that 38.5k level now, realistically up to that top of the range at 39k. I mean, this has got to be broken soon, hasn't it? Because Bitcoin is it's unbelievably smashed. And we do think there is going to be some relief fairly soon. So before we do short-term price predictions, as always, go down in the description, check out the free Discord. Go and sign up. There's an absolute ton of free content in there. It's absolutely insane. Over 1,000 members as well, posting all kinds of really quality content. We've actually picked up a few 100x's in there thanks to some, projects that people have recommended. So go check it out. It's totally free. And if you do want to get an edge on the market, as we've always said, you can sign up to our Patreon. I think it's $9.99 a month. You'll get access to all kinds of extra content in the private Discord. You get daily Bitcoin signals, Maxi Moves, which is when we talk about things we're doing in the market personally, and just loads of really quality content. So if you do want to get signed up to the Patreon, get access to all that extra content, basically just go in the description, sign up and become a Crypto Maximalist today. So with that being said, short-term price predictions, very simply, if we're rolling over here, back down to the bottom of the range, isn't it, at 34.5k. If we're heading up here, we really want to see this resistance, not only at the top of the range, but this top of the channel as well. Broken at around this 39k level. We just reached this yesterday. So if we came back up here, broke this, back tested and started to get out of our channel, back up through our fib levels, that would be absolutely ideal. And when you look at the macro, you can see with Bitcoin, it looks as though we have just been consolidating for essentially, the past year, really, haven't we? We had that huge pump at the start of 2021. You can see, coiling up like this. And we are expecting, in 2022, if the market plays ball, we could see Bitcoin coming up towards that 100k level. I think it's entirely reasonable. That's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychologist and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals, and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.